Namaste, children. Welcome back to my channel, Information Nest. Do subscribe, share, and follow us for more videos. Today, we are going to explore an important chapter from the Sugama Sanskritam textbook for grade 7, the importance of school life, which is Balo Vidyalaya Gam. School life is considered the golden period of our lives. It is not only a time for learning subjects, but also for building character, developing friendships, and discovering our talents. Through school, we learn discipline, teamwork, and values that guide us throughout life. Let us understand why these years are so precious and how they shape our future. Namaste, children. In this chapter, Balo Vidyalayagami, we come across an interesting conversation between two friends, Harish and Girish's son Vidit. Through their dialogue, the chapter beautifully explains the importance of school life, the values it teaches, and the memories it creates. Let us dive into this discussion and understand why school life is considered the golden period of our lives. Now, I'll be reading the conversation first, then word by word meaning along with that particular line translation I will give you. हरिशः मित्रगिरीश नमो नमः एषः बालः कः अस्ति गिरीश is replying नमो नमः बन्धो एषः मम पुत्रः विदितः एषः हरिशः मम मित्रं प्रणामं कुरु विदित is replying प्रणामं करोमि हरिशः आयुष्मान् भव त्वं कस्यां कक्षायां पठसि अहं सप्तमकक्षायां पठामि किं त्वं जीवने विद्यालयस्य महत्त्वं जानासि आम् मम आचार्यः वदति मित्र इस् फ्रेंड नमो नमः इस् सैल्यूटेशन्स एषः दिस् बालः बॉय कः who अस्ति is. So the translation for the first line हरिशः मित्र गिरीश नमो नमः एषः बालः कः अस्ति. Friend Girish, greetings. Who is this boy? Coming to the next line, Girish is speaking back. Namo Nama. Again salutations. Bandho, friend. Yeshaha, this. Mama, my. Putraha, son. Vidit. Yeshaha, this. Mama, my. Mitram, friend. Pranamam, salutation. Kuru is do or offer. So the translation for this line is greetings friend, this is my son Vidit, and this is Vidit, this is my friend, offer your salutations. Now Vidit is speaking back, pranamam karomi. Pranamam is salutation, karomi is I do or I offer. So the translation for this line will be I offer my salutations. Now Harish, Aishman Baba, Tvam Kashyam Kakshayam Patasi. Aishman is long lived. Baba is be. Tvam, you, Kashyam, in which Kakshayam, class, Patasi, do you study? So the translation for this line is, may you live long, in which class do you study? Aham, Saptama Kakshayam Pathami. Aham is I. Saptama Kakshayam, 7th class, in 7th class. Pathami is I study. So I study in the 7th class. किं त्वं जीवने विद्यालयस्य महत्त्वं जानासि? किं do त्वं you जीवने in life विद्यालयस्य of the school महत्त्वं importance जानासि. Do you know? Do you know the importance of school in life? आम् मम आचार्यः वदति. आम् yes mama my आचार्यः teacher vadati says or speaks. So with this is saying that yes my teacher says so. पठति पुस्तकं लिखति सुलेखं बालो विद्यालयगामी क्रीडाङ्गणे च खेलति केलाः बालो विद्यालयगामी ईशवन्दनां कुरुते मुदितो गुरुं नमति अर्चयति कलाः सङ्गणके स्वकार्यं कुरुते बालो विद्यालयगामी पठति reads pustakam book likati writes sulekham neat handwriting Balo Vidyalagami boy Vidyalagami one who goes to school the boy one who goes to school read books and writes neatly Kridangane playground cha and Kelati plays Kelaha games Balo Vidyalagami the boy one who goes to school the boy one who goes to school plays games in the playground Ishavandanam Ishavandanam is prayer to God Kurute they do Mudito or Muditaha joyfully Gurum to the teacher Namati bows Archayati honors or worships Kalaha arts or talents Sanganake on the computer Swakaryam self-work or homework Kurute they do Balo Vidyalayagami the boy one who goes to school tells his prayers and feels happy respects his teacher and worships arts and also learns to do his own work on the computer बालोद्याने श्रमं विदते वृक्षान् सिञ्चति दयापरः रचयति चित्रं श्यामपट्टके बालो विद्यालयगामी विविधनाटकाभिनयं कुरुते व्यायामं कुरुते स्फूर्तः लिपिं पठति भाषामवगच्छति बालो विद्यालयगामी बालोद्याने playground or garden बालः is boy shramam hard work Vidate does or performs the boy puts in effort vrikshan trees sinchati waters dayaparaha full of compassion he waters trees with compassion rachayati chitram shyamapatake rachayati draws chitram picture shyamapatake on the blackboard balo vidyalaya the boy one who goes to school puts in effort or hard work he waters trees with compassion and he writes or draws pictures on the blackboard vividha nataka vinayam vividha nataka vinayam is vividha that is you need to split it vividha various natakam that is drama or play abhinayam acting or performance here the o is a sandhi compound of nataka plus abhinayam that is nataka vinayam that is performance of various dramas or enacting different plays kurute does or performs he performs various skits vyayamam exercise kurute does spurtaha is with discipline or awareness he exercises with discipline lipim script patati reads bhasham language avagachati understands he reads the script and understands the language the boy balavadyalayagami that is the boy one who goes to school perform various dramas or enact different plays and he exercises with discipline and he reads the script and understands the language बालो विद्यालयगामी मनोरञ्जनं ज्ञानवर्धनं शैक्षिकयात्राभिः कुरुते यातायातनियममवगच्छति बालो विद्यालयगामी यदि शैशवे पठति युक्तः सन् भवति यौवने गुणशाली देशं विश्वं सेवितुमर्हति बालो विद्यालयगामी मनोरञ्जनम् entertainment Jnanavardhanam, enhancement of knowledge. He finds both joy and learning. Saichika yatravihi. Saichika is educational. Yatravihi is through journeys. Kurute does or performs. Yata yata traffic. Niyamam rules. Avagachati understands. He learns the rules of the road or he understands the rules of the road. Bhavati becomes. Yavane in youth. Gunashali virtuous or full of good qualities. He becomes virtuous in youth. Yati sasaiva patati yuktaha san. Yadi if saisave in childhood, patati studies or reads, yuktaha with focus, son being that is present participle form of to be. If one studies with discipline in childhood. Desham the country, Vishwam the world, Sevitum to serve, Arhati becomes worthy. He becomes worthy of serving the nation and the world. Balo Vidyalaya Gami. The boy, one who goes to school, also go on entertaining and educating field trips, learns about the traffic rules also. If the child learns and keeps himself engaged during his young age, then when he grows up, he can become talented and educated. He would also learn to respect and serve his nation. The prose summary of this chapter is that this is penned by Dr. Ramakant Shukla, and he paraphrased the walkthrough over his life, that school life, that best describes how one can thoroughly enjoy school life. The first point that he says is school life helps children learn and grow holistically. Besides reading and writing, they learn the value of sports, prayer, respecting parents and teachers, and nurturing nature. They are taught to take care of themselves through exercise and gain multilingual skills for their future. Field trips teach them not only practical knowledge but also road safety. If a child studies diligently from a young age, they grow into a capable youth ready to serve family, nation, and even the world. Abhyasaha, Sanya Padani, that is nouns, Sulekaha. So, beautiful, plus Leka writing, Sulekaha, good writing. Synonyms for this Sulekaha is Lekana or Lekaha. Next word, Vidyalaya Gami. Vidyalayam means school. Gami, that is Gami, he is goer, school goer, the person one who goes to school. Synonyms, Chatraha, Vidyati. Kridanganam. Krida plus Anganam. Krida is play. Anganam is that courtyard or place. Synonyms, Kridastalam, Vinodantaha Puram. Kelaha, game. Synonyms, Krida, Vinodaha, Leelagatam. Ishvara Prarthana, prayer to God. Synonyms are Prarthana, Namas, Stutihi, Sanganaha, computer. Synonyms, Yantraganakaha, Sanganakaha. Shramaha, next word is Shramaha, effort or hard work. Synonyms, Parishramaha, Udyogaha, Prayatnaha. Next word, Shama Patake, on the blackboard. This is a locative case. Shama Pataha is blackboard. Synonyms, Shama Pataha, Pattika, Leka Pataha. Next, Kriya Padani verb, that is verbs. Kurute, does. Archayati, worships. Varshati, irrigates or pours. Sikshati, learns. Arhati, becomes worthy or capable. Note that Smritihi Saishave Yavane, listed in this particular section are actually nouns or adverbs in usage. They are not verbs. Anyapadani, that is other words. Muditaha, happy or joyful. Saichikaha, related to education, that is educational. Yuktaha, son, engaged or focused, having engaged or focused. Patata likata cha, read and write. Kridangani, Sanganake, Sinchati, Manoranjanam, Arhati. Vikalpebhyah uchitam padam chitva likata. Write the correct answer. Balah kutra kelaha kelati. Where does the boy play? Kridangane, playground. Sanganake balah kim karoti. What does a diligent child do? Swakaryam, homework. Balah kutra shramam vidyate. Where does the child work hard? Balodhyane, garden. Balah spurtah kim kurte. What does an intelligent child do? Vyayamam, exercise. Shyamapatake balah kim rachayati. What does the child create on the blackboard? Chitram, drawing. Kavya Padani Purayata Smarata Cha. Learn and write a poem. Patati Pustakam Likati Sulekam Balo Vidyalayagami. Kridangane Cha Kelati Kelaha Balo Vidyalayagami. Ishavandanam Kurute Mudito Gurum Namati Archayati Kalaha Sanganake Swakaryam Kurute Balo Vidyalayagami. This conversation between Harish, Girish, and Vidit reminds us that school life is not just about academics. It is about shaping our personality, learning discipline, and building lifelong friendships. As highlighted in the Sukama Samskritam Grade 7 chapter, Bala Vidyalaya Gani, these experiences prepare us for the future and stay with us forever. Truly, school life is a treasure that we should cherish and value. Thank you, children, for listening to my audio and video.